All right. First of all, Harbatera, aka Victor Martin Soriano, he has a Facebook account of BC Austin, Hong Kong. He just wanna say sorry in the public. Actually, if he makes a public apology, don't do that to Joey De Leon. Don't do that to Judge Tagra. Victor Martin Soriano, you have to be matured. At least you deleted it, all the videos in YouTube blog. Oh, that's good for you. Oh, for me, Victor Martin Soriano, when I treat you an enemy, I let you be. I always forget about you, Victor Martin Soriano, and I let you be. Not only that, this idiot, Best Mills, Castillo, Lance Salvacion, and Sergio Gin, they kept adding Patrick Kison in the GC. Why did you add Patrick Kison in GC? I thought he left the group in the group chat on Facebook. Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Sergio Gin, and even Lance Salvacion. I say to you, all of you in the Filipino, tigilan mo na pag-a-add kay Patrick Kison. Tantanan mo na siya. That's why, for me, you should never add him in the group chat. Because you make Patrick Kison involved. Because that is called war. Oh, don't you get Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Sergio Gin, and Lance Salvacion? Look at Harbatera, Victor Martin Soriano. Oh, he's matured now. He might follow the footstep of Mang Rodelio Daguman and Bam Hernando. Oh, Harbatera, aka Victor Martin Soriano. He learned how to say sorry to the public. He make a public apology to Joey De Leon and Judge Tagra. First of all, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Sergio Gin, and Lance Salvacion. Do not make a group chat. Wag kayo puro ad. That's why, you make them disturb. Me, I never make a group chat on Facebook, through Messenger. This is really annoying. Oh. Me, I do not want to make a group chat just in remember what I was told by Ate Mel Canete. Oh, wag mo kami i-add sa GC. That's why. And she said to me, in the GC of Shania Kiana, I never add anyone, or even my relative, even Ate Mirasol, even Kuya Jojo, Ninong Michael, o even Ninang Bebe, Sol Gabag, even Anya Suyuki, that was my ninang in Germany, and also in the United States. And I do not add Christine Ball, who was in United States also. And I should never add the Nanay Ningning or my relative in the group chat. I never add anyone in the group chat, even my beauty queens of Miss Earth, contestant, or Miss Universe, even Miss Asia Pacific International. I never add them in group chat. For me, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Sergio Gin, and Lance Salvacion, please stop adding Patrick Kison in GC. And stop adding Kuya Jojo Makalintal, Ninang Bebe, Sol Gabag. That's really disturbing. You might disturb to anyone. For me, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Sergio Gin, and Lance Salvacion.
Three of you should watch Family Matters. Look at Mang Rodelio Daguman. He watch Family Matters. He's taking care of his mom. Oh, look at Ate Hana. She watch Family Matters. She's taking her dad, Tatay Arnold. Oh, look at Mang Rodelio Daguman. He's taking care of his mom, Nanay Lilia Daguman. Oh, that's their own important. For you, as Jin, you have a mom. Oh, like I said, you have a nephew, Jeffrey Asejo. You should take care of your mom, Asejo Jin. Even you, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, you should take care your family, your mother, even your grandmother, your lola. You should taking care of them, Best Pills. Arnel G. Castillo, even you, Lance Salvacion. You should taking care of your mom, not to make nonsense. For me, I know this is really hard to say. When I was told by Patrick Quezon in GC, please, I say to three of you, Asejo Jin, Lance Salvacion, and Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, tantanan mo na sila. Tantanan mo si Patrick Quezon at si Ate Mel Canete. This is why you should stop adding Patrick Quezon in GC. Even Ekong Gonzaga, tantanan mo na sila. That's why. You know, it's really hard to say if you add them in the group chat. Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Asejo Jin, and Lance Salvacion. Don't add them in group chat. Me, I already stopped making group chat. As I was told by Patrick Quezon. I already stopped making group chat. Oh, I already delete all the group chat. Even I remove my relatives, or I remove Kuya Jojo, even Ninong Michael, or even my rest of my relatives. I remove them in group chat. They want peace. Just like I said, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Asejo Jin, and Lance Salvacion. All of you should listen to your family. All of your family. And three of you should stop this. You know, it's really disturbing. Even Shania Kiana, you make her involved. You harass her, you rape her. What is wrong with you, Lance Salvacion? What's wrong with you, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, both of you? Rape is not a bill. Alright? That is a criminal offense. Like I said, wag ganon. That's really bad.